Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough of our 2023 MasterCraft XT22. Just got this boat in. Doing an outside shot here for you. Boat in the trailer. All right, so this boat's equipped. We got the BTS windshield. We got the black Z8 wake tower that does fold down very easy. On the back, you can see you can either have the seats folded down or the seats folded up. Pretty cool when you're hanging out and chilling. And then we got the nice SeaDek swim step here. This does have the Surf Star, the 6-liter, 373 horsepower motor. So plenty of horsepower on this 22-foot boat that is rated for 16 people. Now going through, you have the nice walk through here, so you don't have to step on anything. SeaDek all the way through, right down to the nice Decadence flooring. Coming around here, the nice curved high back seats, phone holders, the backrest that comes up or can fold down. It's got the 7-inch touchscreen, analog gauges, new speaker up here by the driver, phone charger, fold down mirror, big huge front here. You can sit 4 people up here.